What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the budget compact smartphone for the year last year was ASUS Zenfone 8, but it's coming with a newer version and the updated one with the ASUS Zenfone 9. Now in this video we'll be talking about all of its specifications and what you can expect from this smartphone. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first thing is that it's a compact smartphone, so the display of this smartphone is going to be a 5.9 inch of a full HD plus AMOLED display, and you will indeed be getting a 120 Hz of high refresh rate and the newer build design of this smartphone. Now the greatest and the latest flagship processor is present in this smartphone with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and it will be running Android 12 out of the box, and ASUS is supporting right now with the 2 years of a major OS upgrade and 3 years of a security patch. Apart from that, it is a compact phone, so you cannot expect a multiple cameras layout in this smartphone, and it is limited to 2 cameras, in which the primary camera is a Sony IMX766 with the OIS support of 50 megapixel, and the secondary camera is going to be an ultra wide camera. Apart from that, you won't be getting any kind of a telephoto camera or any other gimmicky cameras in this smartphone, as it's because of the size only. And you will also be getting a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer too for a much more better portraits and the camera shots. Apart from that, it will be having a side mounted fingerprint scanner, unlike the last year with the in-display fingerprint scanner, so it might be a lower downgrade when compared to the previous gen. Well, you will be getting a ZenTouch UI skin on top of the Android 12 as we discussed. Apart from that, the battery capacity is going to be the bump up this time with the 4300 mAh battery in this smartphone. And it is a compact phone, but still you will be getting a 3.5mm audio jack in this smartphone, which is again almost welcome by everyone in this industry for the flagship area. And you will also be getting a stereo speaker setup in this smartphone, which is again a positive. So what do you think about this smartphone price? The price of this smartphone is expected to be around 45 to 50,000 rupees, considering it will be coming with a flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And the launch is expected to be at the second half or the fourth quarter of this year in around October or in September, not before that. If you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.